Hello and assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today I will tell you how can we delete our tweet and how can we undo our retweet. So for this purpose you just have to click on your profile picture. So there is your profile. So just open this. So now you have all tweets and retweets that you have posted on Twitter. So if you want to read a tweet, so just click on that three dots on in front of your tweet. So there is an option to delete this tweet, and that's how we can delete our tweet. But the most difficult thing is that how can we undo, how can we delete our retweet. So for just example, I just retweeted the tweet so from this account. So just click on that tweet. So after clicking that, you have an option of yet two reversible arrows right now. So just click on that arrows, and there are two options: undo this tweet and quiet tweet. So we are going to undo this tweet, and how we can easily delete a retweet. So you can see that the previous retweet is not here right now. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.